Hello everyone, so welcome to your next topic of the HTML, which is how to add audio in HTML. So for those who are visiting multimedia websites, or you can say website which is having audio or video content or many various images content. So the first question in their mind, how to add video or audio. So for those who are looking for adding video in their web pages, please visit my previous session. I've already created for how to add video in HTML. The topic name should be HTML media and video tag example. So by using that content you can view how to add content video in your website, or you can see that the video should be added in your web pages by using that example. So for those who are interested to audio content, so please watch this video. So basically audio is added by using audio tag. So the audio formats are MIDI, WMA, WAV, MP3, AAC, OGG, and many more audio formats are available. So here some of the browsers not supporting all the audio format, some of the browser supports all the formats of the audio. So let's take in one example of the media content, that is audio. Let's start with the HTML tag. Then I am directly declaring here as a body, closing of body, and here as a audio controls. Okay, then closing of audio, then the tag control basically display the play, pause and resume tab. You can see this is all called as a controls. Play tags, source, src. If your audio file is available in the same folder where you are saving this HTML page, then you have to directly provide here as the name of the file with extension name. Otherwise, if your audio file is available in different folder, so you have to provide the path of the file. So my audio file is available in the same folder, so here I am directly giving as a mp4. Let's see this mp3 dot, the file name is camle dot mp3, and type of the file, you have to provide the type of the file audio /mp3 inside the double quote. So this is audio tutorial. div.html. Let's run your file. Now you can see audio tab is added here. So here you have to play that, your audio will start playing. So my audio is for only 7 seconds, so it start playing for the 7 seconds. These are all the controls. So if you want to pause your control, then resume, or you can drag or drag your progress bar. So these are all controls available by using this tag. So HTML audio contains different formats which is supportable to the different browsers, just like if Internet Explorer is only supporting MP3, not supporting WAV and OGG format, Chrome supports all three, MP3, WAV and OGG. Firefox supporting all three, that is MP3, WAV or OGG. Safari browser supports only MP3 and WAV, not OGG. Opera supports all three, that is MP3, WAV and OGG formats. So HTML audio media types is MP3, OGG and WAV. There is a different events or tags also available. There were different methods or properties and events. HTML5 defines DOM methods, properties and event to be audio elements. So this allows you to load, play and pause audios as well as set duration and volume. So this is all about the HTML audio topic. Hope you understand it. If you have any queries or comments, please comment in the comment box so that I will review and revert with the resolution. And don't forget to like and subscribe the channel for the latest update. Thank you.